Hello everyone, I'm Matt. Today I'm going to show you a powerful anytime workflow that tracks Amazon bestsellers. This workflow will scrape product data from Amazon, save it to Google Sheets, and will send you an email with top 10 products. If you ever wondered how some sellers spot the best product and even they are advertising before you spot this product, before you see it, you'll know how you can do it for your store too. It's hard to make it manual, but thanks to these systems, AI automation and AI agents, you can create your own ecosystem for your e-commerce business. Let's get started. This is our workflow and I will explain how you can create your version too, but let me show you how it's working. We have two triggers. By the way, if you are new to NA10, if you are new to AI agents, this is NA10. It's an AI agent and AI automation creation platform. You can make it without code. This is important. You can just pull nodes, connect each other, and you can create your own solutions, your own AI agents, your own AI automation. In this scenario, you'll see how we scrape data from Amazon and how we save it to Google Sheets, how we send an email to ourselves as report. Now, every automation in NA10 starts with a trigger. Every agent also starts with a trigger too. In our scenario, there is two triggers, one manual and one scheduled. Normally, we are using scheduled triggers because it's working background automatically. When you make it active, it's working background automatically. It's up to you, but you can work this workflow once in a day or once in a week or every hour. So you will get data as you request, but I will use manual trigger because I want to explain how this is working. And this is the Google Sheets, and you can see we have 30 products here. We have bestseller rank of the products. We have starts, total ratings, offer price, and you can see the products we are getting from home and kitchen, bed, and let me check, home and kitchen and bedding. Yeah. And you can see all data from Amazon. You can configure this workflow and you can get your data. You can get any data you want and you can save it here. This is an example. So I will scrape limited data and I want to show you how you can configure this system. Maybe you are using Helium 10 or another solution, but the best part of using AI agents and AI automation is configuration. You can create your own solution, and also you can use this data with another AI agent. You can create pushover notifications, you can create reports, you can create other systems, you can connect them, and you can create your own complicated AI agent automation system without cost. That's the point. Helium giving some features and product data to you, but with limitation and with a cost. But you can create your own version here for free. Let's check how this working, how we can pull this data. We have trigger and it will start with this one. First, I will show you how we prepare. We will use Bright Data and you can start your own trial account from Bright Data without entering any credit card or anything. You can create it. When you create it, you will come here, proxies and scraping. There will be no unlocker here. You have to create your zone because when you come down, you'll find Web Unlocker API. You can say get started and Web Unlocker for. Okay, we will use Web Unlocker for add. You will add this. Yes. I will explain this, but first let's prepare our data. We will use Web Unlocker for. Also, we choose which category we want to scrape. Let's say here, yes, kitchen and dining. Okay. I will start this workflow for once so we can follow data flow, but also I will explain how you can create this one. Now it started. We get our request and we send it to Bright Data. Bright Data scraped this part of Amazon bestsellers in kitchen and dining, and we have special code here for prepare the data for AI. I will explain really in a really short time. Now AI working on this data and will create our product list, and after it we will split out etc. First I will show you how you can reach to bright data. This is HTTP request node. HTTP request node you can add from here. HTTP request, exact same one. We will use post method, and we will use the URL this api.brightdata.com/request. We need to introduce ourselves to Bright Data platform for letting us use their platform, because we want to use their platform from outside, from an ATM. As you can see, we have authentication type and header authentication. What is this? You can configure your header authentication. You will create your own one actually. You will create a new credential and you will write here authorization and you will write here the value. And this value is this, because when you want to use a platform via API, they always tell you how you can use their platform, how you can introduce yourself to platform. And for Bright Data, this is the way. By the way, it's really general. You will find this in many platforms, but sometimes they want X API key or they want another value. That's why we have to check each time. For this, we need to write authorization, and after we have to give our API key. Okay, this is our API key. We get it. As you can see, there is authorization. It will be fixed, but it's not showing. That's why I will write like this: bearer / our API key. And you will make it fixed again. And tada, it's ready to use. After, we have to send body, the place we send our data. For this, we are sending the zone, and we are configuring like this, and you can pull zone and you can pull URL from here. So system is ready. When you change the URL or when you change the zone, it's not important. It will pull the data from here. Let me show you how you can create your API here. You will create your API token here, and first you can create API token, and after you can create zone, so it will come ready. Now we have code node, because from Bright Data we get our data. Okay, but when you check JSON, it's really long and it's not useful for us actually. This HTML data is not useful for us. We have to prepare this for structured data extractor node, which we will make our list. For this, we are using this special code. You are getting a full Amazon page as HTML from the HTTP request node. We only want to pass this HTML to the next node, structured data extractor. This incoming data is stored inside JSON.response. Now we are getting partial HTML from this node. That's the important part. We find fallbacks, etc., and we are getting partial HTML. And we are passing this partial HTML. And this is the input schema of our AI. And below we have prompt, system prompt template. You are an expert extraction algorithm. Only extract relevant information from the text. And we are using as chat model GPT 4.1 mini, because it's fast and it's cost effective actually. And as you can see, we have our output rank 1, rank 2, rank 3 is going like this. It's JSON, but you can see as schema 2. We have 1 item and 10 outputs from 0 to 9. But it's not so useful for us because we want to fill Google Sheets. You can see when we fill it with 1 item, it will really long line and it's not useful. So that's why we need these 10 outputs as separate items. For this, we are using split out. We are writing output here and no other fields. And as you can see, it's getting this 1 item with 10 outputs and it's transforming in 10 items, 10 separate items. Each item has rank, title, stars, total ratings, offer, product URL, and image. Each item has same attributes. Each item has same things, but outputs changing, of course. After it, we can fill our Google Sheets. First, you have to create your sheet from scratch. If you are creating from scratch, you have to write rank, title, stars, total ratings, offer, product URL, and image. And after, you will come here, you will click sign it with Google. With just one click, you can connect your Google Sheets account in an 8, and after you will find your Google Sheet with the exact name, and you will find the sheet you use, and these will be empty, but rank will come because it will catch all data from your sheet, and you can use schema and you can get data from here. You can fill these empty spaces just with pulling. That's the best part of N8 actually, and that's all. It will be ready. It will be saved in your Google Sheets. And here we have email account, summarize the top 10 products with emojis and friendly tone. The output should be for Slack with the name of the products, etc. So you can send with Slack, you can send with Gmail, it's up to you. And this is our Gmail account, and as you can see, this is the mail. Hey team, check out the top 10 amazing products we have right now. Gadget 3000 smartwatch, etc. As you can see, this one prepare our mail. So in a really short time, you can create your own e-commerce product research system, Amazon product research system for yourself. The best part, you can configure, you can get top 30 best products, you can combine categories, you can add more categories, you can work on N8N system, and you can create your own version. So you don't have to limit yourself with Helium 10 or any other platform, because this is unlimited. And you can change this note. For example, you can use Gemini for free as chat model, and this workflow will be totally free if you change it. So it's up to you. Limit is your imagination. You can create your own solutions for your e-commerce business thanks to AI automation and AI agent systems, and you can combine agents working for you 7/24. So this one can research products, other one can write SEO description and titles, other one can find the sellers or other sellers, scrape their data, find the best sellers, find the manufacturers, write emails to them asking price, etc. Also, they can negotiate the price for you with the manufacturer. So you can create your own AI agent army for your e-commerce business. And if you want to make this, you can join our school community, Work Smarter. Actually, this is our community. When you land, you will see this page, and you can join our community from here. It will be yellow. You can reach the community. We are growing, and our goal is creating real life solutions for your business and for your career, for your e-commerce business. It's up to you. When you land it, just drop a message to me and tell me about your goals, what you want to create, what you want to want. It can be creating an AI agency, or transforming your digital marketing agency with the power of AI, or creating a business with the help of AI and AI automations, AI agents. It's up to you. I will help you to create the solution personally for you. So this is the difference of this group. There are many educators, they are good, they have big groups, but we are creating, as a team, we are creating personal solutions. So if you need something specific, or if you need a workflow, or if you need mentorship, this is for you. I will help you to get your first client, or I will help you to grow your agency from scratch, because I served many clients with my AI agency internationally and locally. So I know how you can develop your agency game, and I will share step by step actionable daily plan to you. So you will know what to do, when to do, and when you copy these steps, you will develop your agency in 30 days. You will get your first client. And if you are already have an agency, you can get help our program and you can get more clients. Also, you can use these agent systems for your business. You can use lead gen systems. You can use social media systems. You can get passive income from YouTube Shorts or Instagram or from TikTok. AI agents transforming the way of working. That's why we in Work Smarter, we are working with AI agents and we get more money, we make more money, we get our time, and we are creating really big businesses with AI. In all AI agents page classroom, you can find our AI agents, and this one too. I will add this one too, and you can download the JSON file from here, and I will show you. You can download the JSON file from here, and when you upload, you will have exact same AI agent system, and you can start to use. That's so easy. So if you want to use these systems without developing from scratch, you can join our community, you can get these files and you can start to use, and we will have a live course so you can join, and I will help you to create your own one, or if you want to get help, technical help, I will try to solve your problem personally again. So you are welcome to join our school community Work Smarter. I will be happy to meet with you. And if you like this video, you can push the like button so I'll know I have to create more e-commerce AI agents, e-commerce X AI agents content, and more AI agent systems for your Etsy, Amazon store. And also, if you want to catch new videos in your home screen or notifications, you can subscribe to Work Smarter channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.